Okay to, baby?
Lakad ka doon. Boss, sa table, sa table na, lang yung table.
Magkaduo sa game na League of Legends, magkaalas sa ML, at ngayon magka-team na sa buhay. Who would have thought na yung simpleng laro tayo nun would lead to the greatest adventures of our life. And now, here we are, years later, stronger, wiser, and blessed with the most beautiful gift, our son, Sevi. Every time I hear him laugh or see him smile, I remember that our love created something pure, something real, something lasting. Si Sevi ang bunga ng bawat araw na pinili natin ang isa't isa. Mula sa pagiging strangers, naging kaklase, naging kalaro, naging kapartner, ngayon magiging asawa. At ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, magulang ng ating anak. In the name of God, I promise to be your loving and faithful husband. Pinapangako kong mamahalin kita sa lahat ng version mo. Kahit anong patch update pa yan. Sa araw na ikaw ang MVP at sa araw na feeling mo nag-fail ka, nandito ako. Lagi akong magiging kakampi mo. At sa lahat ng narito ngayon, I promise that I protect you and si Sevi like a tank. Love you like a marksman, support you through every trial, and fight for us like a true fighter. Sa bawat clash ng buhay, never akong mag-AFK. Hindi kita iiwan at higit sa lahat, ikaw ang hero na pipiliin kong makasama habang buhay. I love you.
Palakpakan natin siya. And how about you, ikaw?
I love. It's been 8 years. I still remember when you first asked me where I live. And I said, sa ulo. Then you replied, sabay tayo pasok. Sabi ko, sige. Sabi mo, malapit ka lang sa amin. Not knowing na you actually live on the other side of Malabo, which is yung Potrero. Then we became the duo partners, not just in the game, but in life. I still remember how easy it was to love you, how natural it was to care for you. You've been my best friend, my constant teammate, my safe place. We've grown hand in hand, from college students with dreams to partners navigating the corporate world. Through all those years, you've shown me what real love is like. In a way ng pag-aalaga mo, hindi lang sa akin, hindi din kay Seth. And now I vow to keep choosing you to be your partner, your best friend. I promise to continue being your duo, your comfort, and your safe place. I promise to eat all the onions sa sisig. Sa shawarma niya, at sa lahat ng ulam na may sibuyas. And I promise to be your peace when the days are tough, your warmth when the world feels so cold. And just like in the beginning, when it was just you and me and the game, I will love you with the same heart that fell for you, that felt your back in 2016. But with even more depth, your understanding and more faith in us. I vow to grow with you, to love with you, to cry with you, and to walk beside you. I promise to always to be your partner and your player to your comfort and your love.
Palakpakan mo na. Ibibigay ko
ibinibigay ko
ang singsing na ito
ang singsing na ito
bilang tanda
bilang tanda
ng aking pagmamahal sa iyo.
ng aking pagmamahal sa
Ako'y magpapakasal sa iyo.
Ako ay magpapakasal sa iyo.
Ikaw, sa kalawang kamay, bikisin mo kanyang pangalan.
Bennett.
Ibinibigay ko
Ibinibigay
ang singsing na ito
ang sising
bilang tanda
bilang tanda
ng aking pagmamahal sa iyo.
ng aking pagmamahal.
Ako'y magpapakasal sa iyo.
Ako'y magpapakasal.
Palakpakan po natin sila. Makakapumulot yung dalawang dito. Palakpakan po natin sila. Okay ba na? You may now. Kiss your wife 3 seconds. 1, 2, 2.5, 3. Congratulations. Sir, congrats, ma'am.
Congrats.
Maghawak kayo ng bewang sa bewang. Tumingin kayo sa kanya. Tapos yung baloklak nyo, hawakan yung dalawa.
Ready po? 1, 2, 3.